Welcome to our treehouse.
In this episode, we will be staying in an architect's dream, a treehouse suspended 5 meters into the air. Only a 20-minute drive from the city of Cologne, we will be spending 2 nights here, resting within the beech forest and celebrating a 4-year anniversary on top of the world. We are Anna and Chris, 2 introverts on a journey to living a slower life. As photographers, we have created so many projects in our studio, always stressing about shoots and clients, that we realized we wanted to see more of the world and work more freely. Now we are exploring unique stays, nature getaways, and focusing on the little things in life.
So apparently this rental is in the middle of nowhere. Look at this! Wow! Oh, this is so cool!
Wow.
This treehouse was built right around this wonderful beech tree, and when you step onto the balcony, all you see are the branches of this gorgeous tree.
Cheers.
Cheers! Good morning here from our treehouse. We have spent our first night in here, and we have to say it was incredibly cozy, but also pretty loud. You could hear every sound that the forest makes, and there were a lot of leaves and seeds falling down onto the treehouse, and the treehouse itself made these kind of crackling noises. So our first night wasn't the most resting, but it was incredibly cozy and beautiful. Yeah, actually, when we sleep in a new place, it's always like the first night is always the hardest to relax. Then for breakfast, we had this beautiful breakfast basket delivered with lots of croissants, fresh yogurt and fruit, and of course, fresh coffee, which we're incredibly grateful for. And then we just took our time to relax a bit and actually enjoy this atmosphere, because usually we pace through all of the places that we visit, and as we are on a journey to living a slower life, we try to spend more time at these incredible places that we get to visit. It's not always easy because you're always afraid that you're going to miss something, but I feel like we are slowly getting into the flow of things. I seriously can't believe how cute these cows are. They're 2 mama cows with their babies, and they have like this really curly fur, and they look just way too adorable.
I can make the same movements on repeat. I can go on walking when I'm sound asleep. I can lose my...
This treehouse is about 5 meters above the ground, and all that's securing it are these steel ropes that are kind of hammered into the trees. and apparently this is minimally invasive. So the tree still lives on and grows and grows, but it also supports the tree house. And apparently these ropes are only at like 10% capacity, so they could actually hold a heavier load than the one they are actually holding now. Welcome to our tree house. Let me show you around. This is a little couch area, which is actually pretty comfortable, and you have a great view across the fields, and yeah, you're right under the tree, so all you see are golden leaves, which is pretty gorgeous. This definitely has to be the main focal point of this tree house. It's this huge round window and you have a gorgeous view across the woods, and yeah, you feel like you're actually living in a tree, which is amazing, right? This is a little kitchenette slash storage area. You have various small cupboards to store all of your stuff in, and you only have a kettle to make some tea, so no place to cook, but since we are only staying for 2 nights here, this should be fine. So this is where it gets pretty amazing actually, because you have a fully functioning bathroom right here in this tree house. Come take a look. You have this huge sink, Aesop bath products, which I love, some towels, and you also have a huge shower. And yeah, it's pretty amazing that a tree house can have a bathroom that's this huge. I think it's bigger than the one that we have at our house. So yeah, pretty cool. Welcome to the bedroom. This treehouse can sleep 2 people, and you're sleeping right under the leaves and the trees, which is really, really gorgeous. And you actually have enough space right here, and I think it's just amazing that a bed like this fits into a treehouse. In case I spare the weather, you also have this little outdoor sitting area right here on the balcony, overlooking the fields and the forest. This treehouse is surrounded by a high rope course, so in case you're not afraid of heights, you already have your activities for the day planned.
When I turn up, you get going at every stop, baby. Oh.